How to add story highlights on Facebook. What's up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process on how you can easily add story highlights on Facebook. It can be a great way to keep your friends and followers updated about your life on your Facebook app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So if you want to add your highlights on Facebook, open up the app first and then tap on the menu icon. From here, you are just going to head over to your settings menu and then scroll down until you see your activity, or you can directly access your archives. And once you tap on your activity log, you will find your archive at the top of your screen. And from here, you can tap on Story Archives. So you will find all of your previously posted stories right here. So if you have turned this on, you'll find all of your stories right here. And when you add a story, you'll find it on your archive. Now, once you do that, you can just head over to your profile section and open up your profile. Scroll down, and then once you do that, you should be able to see your collections right here. And if you want to add new, tap on Add New. And then from here, you can just add your uploaded photos or videos like this. And then tap on Next and tap on Save. You can also edit the cover of the image and it will be added to your highlights. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next